guys, I'm prepping for my visitors. Yeah, so I'm just trying to, this is ekwang. So this is how I prep my ekwang. This is the cocoyams, and this is the process. It's a lot of work, so I have to you must love someone so much to be able to do this. This is a lot of work. Like, you see that I have to grate one after the other. Yeah, so this is basically what I'm doing, and these are the remaining ones. I'm going to blend this and make something else with it. Yeah, okay guys, stay tuned. So family, this is what my guest is going to be having as a main meal. This is purely a Cameroonian dish. It's called ekwang. So this is it. I'm just going to prep it now and cook it. I have a recipe of this. Actually, I'm going to leave a link above so you could check it out. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to make as the main dish. And if you haven't watched my part 1, please do well to watch so you catch up. All right, thank you so much. Hello beauties, welcome back to series 2. So this morning I'm going to be making a peach lemonade with garnishing with mint. So for my guest, so this is what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm just going to walk you through nothing serious. So I'm going to make lemonade that can just fit this jar. I think this is a 1.5 liter jar. It's going to be enough. All right, let's get into it. So I went ahead and blended the peach, and I just sieve it. You can use a juice extractor, but my juice extractor has a problem. And voila, we have our fresh juice. This is cooking from the heart. When you serve your visitors with fresh juice, they understand you put in a lot of work into that. In fact, a lot of love in cooking. And this is the finished product, and it tasted so good. For starters, I'm going to be making garlic bread. So this is cilantro with parsley chopped. So I chopped it finely. It's finely chopped. And I'm going to be using garlic. You can use fresh garlic, guys. I'm just so tired, so that's why I got this. So this is the consistency of the garlic you need to use. Don't crush it too much. And of course, butter. I'm using salted butter. So if you're not using salted butter, you can always add a pinch of salt. Yeah. So in a bowl, I put together my garlic, my salted butter, and my cilantro and parsley together, and I give it a good mix. I'm going to be using this French bread. Take this bread, scoop of butter, and do this. This is how you want it to look like. May I hope this. Yeah guys, so our garlic bread is ready. So I went ahead and preheated my frying pan. I'm going to be pan frying this. This is optional. You can use your oven. Yeah, and this tasted so good, and the smell is heavenly, and it's so crispy. Once it's crispy on both sides, you can take it off, and voila, this is the consistency we are looking at. This tasted so good, and my visitors really loved this. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to serve my visitors once they walk in. This is going to be our starters, so they can start off with this and calm down the intestines while the main dish is ready. I hope you get to try this, and if you do, please do not forget to leave a comment down below. We're going to be doing chocolate strawberries. Where are my berries? I'm using this chocolate from Cameroon. So I'm going to be taking out. So this is the main dish. This is what we'll be having. Yeah. Yeah, family, so the living room is ready. If you noticed, I changed the layout of the living room. If you haven't watched my video on my living room makeover, this is not how my living room sets, or this is not the settings. I had to set it up by opening up the space so my visitors can have, you know, a little bit of fun. Yeah, to make the space look a little bit bigger, so I had to change the seat settings. Yeah, as you can see that in the video, and I think I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be leaving this layout for a while because it's really spacious. Okay. Hi. How are you? You're good. Oh, you want to shoot? You want a record? Okay, hold it. Hold it like this. And go towards Samkelo. You want to see yourself? You have to. Hey! You love it!
I told you when you get angry.
Our podcast chef is here doing the mixing. Yeah, guys, sorry. Yeah, my visitors had a wonderful time. Yeah, we just finished our main dish and we're now heading to dessert. Yeah, so I just bought this ice cream and biscuit, yeah, or cookies, and we had it and had so much fun. We had so much fun, guys. It's always good to have family and friends over, and this was so good. I think I'll be doing this more often. Yeah. And this brings us to the end of this series. Yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do help by supporting, by liking, sharing, and also leaving your feedback. Your feedback counts. I love to interact a lot in the comment section. And this is Badly Brought Up. He's a Cameroonian YouTuber and a comedian as well. I'll be leaving his link down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next one, bye bye.